शंकरो वंदे श्रद्धा विश्वास रूपिणौ याभ्याम विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धा स्वान्तम ईश्वरम्. King Dashrath was stunned, was astonished, was wonderstruck to hear the request of Vishwamitra to send Ram with him to dispose of, to kill all the Rakshasas who interfered in his sacred observances. But Dashrath declines and he says, विप्रयुक्तो हि रामेण मुहूर्तमपि नोत्सवे. Separated, departed, disunited with Ram, I can't live, I can't survive even for a single hour. Tashrutva tasya vachanam sneha paryakulakshram. Hearing the reply of King Dashrath, and that reply was marked with parental, with filial affection. But Vishwamitra became furious, he became indignant, and he said that Pratigyam hatumicchasi, you want to go upon your word? It is not worthy of your race, it is not worthy of your grace, and it will prove ruin of your race. So he was so indignant, and realizing the situation, इस स्थिति को देखते हुए वशिष्ठ, गुरु वशिष्ठ advised, suggested Raja Dashrath. He told that you should adhere to your piety. You are famous, you are well known in the whole of the world, all over the world, for your piety and righteousness. So you should adhere to that piety and righteousness. And you see, Vishwamitra has come to you for the benefit, for the good of your son. तव पुत्र हितार्थाय तमुपेत्य अभियाचिते. He himself is capable, he is very famous. Mahatejo Vishwamitro Mahayasha. Even then he has come. Why? Tau putritarthai, for the good of your sons. Ram has come to you, Vishwamitra has come to you. So you need not doubt sending Ram. न राम गमने राजन संशय गंतुम महर्षि. Then Ram felt rejoiced, and Dashrath also felt rejoiced, and King Dashrath sent Ram and Lakshman with Vishwamitra. And then all the gods showered flowers. They were very happy. And there was a blast of conches, and there was a shower of flowers. Now, when Vishwamitra was talking or was giving full details about Tatka, प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, in Valmiki Ramayana, Tatka, and this same Tatka is called Tadka in Ramcharitramanas of Tulsi Baba. So there is a little difference, but it doesn't matter. But this Tatka, Uddhyam Bahu Garjantim Ramen Abhyadhavat, she lifting her arms and she rushed towards Ram for attack. And by her conjuring tricks, she perplexed Ram and Lakshman by a huge cloud of dust and rocks. Then Ram made a counter attack of shafts, and Lakshman ji क्या करते हैं कि सौमित्री करोत, सौमित्री मीन्स लक्ष्मण, सौमित्री करोत क्रोधात धृत कर्ण आग्र नासिकाम. he deprived her of her ears and a tip of his nose, Karna and Agranasikam, this tip of nose, not complete nose but only tip of nose. लक्ष्मण जी का तो यही है, आगे भी देखेंगे लक्ष्मण जी ये कार्य करते हैं। लेकिन ये ताड़का काम रूप धरासा, she is capable of taking any form according to his choice. So she became invisible. She went out of sight, अदृश्य हो गई, and again began to shower. क्या? Cloud of dust and rocks. Then Ram was perplexed. Then Vishwamitra instructed Ram that twilight is fast approaching and these ogres, these monsters are very hard to win in the evening. So I tell you the skill of hitting the target with the help of sound coming from it. She may be invisible, but you can hit because only with the help of sound. So Ram hit her in the breast with a shaft because she was coming, she was rushing towards Ram just like a thunderbolt. So Ram hit her in the breast with a shaft and she fell down. और वो उसका काम तमाम हुआ, मर गई, एक से तो फंद कटा। बहुत अच्छा हुआ। And all the gods rejoiced and they told, bravo, bravo, बहुत अच्छा हुआ, बहुत अच्छा हुआ. They were very happy. Now Vishwamitra imparts skill of various missiles, and now comes Marich. So Sri Ramji hurled a missile at her, at the breast of Marich, and he was flung 100 yojan. बच्चों 100 yojan means 800 miles. And then came Subhahu. Ram hurled a second missile at him, and this Subhahu fell down and died. So हत्वा राक्षसान सर्वान, सब राक्षसों को समाप्त करके Bhagwan Sri Ram was honored by Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra was very, very happy. Now Vishwamitra along with Ram and Lakshman, they proceed northward in the direction of Mithila, and crossing the Sona river, they reach the bank of holy Ganga and they spend night there. And on the request of Ram, Vishwamitra narrates so many celestial stories, and he gives Ram celestial arms just like Danda Chakram, Dharma Chakram, Kala Chakram, Vishnu Chakram, Indra Chakram, and he also gave Brahmastramam Uttamam and a pair of blessed messes. बच्चों मैसेज का मतलब है गदा, तो दो गदाएं दी, नेम्ड मोदकी एंड शिखरी. अब भगवान ने उनसे एक चीज और मांगी. अस्त्राणाम त्वमिच्छामि संग्रान मुनिपुंगव. I wish to learn or I wish to get such mantras capable of withdrawing the missiles which once discharged. एक बार डिस्चार्ज, एक बार छोड़ दी, लोग वापस मंगा ली. So far as I know, आज की साइंस में भी इस तरह के सुविधा नहीं है कि एक बार कोई मिसाइल छोड़ दे तो उसको वापस ले आए. लेकिन those days Vishwamitra instructed him or gave the mantras capable of withdrawing the missiles which once discharged. इस तरह से उन्होंने ज्ञान प्राप्त किया हथियारों का। एंड then Vishwamitra narrated a story how this holy Ganga descended on this earth. Then he is narrating that there was a king named Sagar, and Sagar released a horse. It was a tradition that a horse was released as a introductory performance or as a prelude. But Indra stole that horse and left near Kapil Muni. Kapil was busy in austerity, in asceticism, and after a long search and a constant search, 60,000 sons of Sagar found that horse grazing near Kapil Muni. They felt enraged, and in angry they told, "Tisht, tisht, stop, stop, O evil-minded, asmakam tvam hi turguyam yagyam hritvanasi." Only you have stolen our horse, you have stolen our sacrificial horse. Twamev hritvan, किसको? तुर्गम अस्माकम, वो किसके लिए था? यज्ञम। इस प्रकार से उन्होंने कटुवचन बोले। Then श्रुत्वा तद्वचनम, hearing this sort of words, कपिलो रोषेण महताविष्टो हुंकारम करोत. Then Kapil Muni hunkaram akrut, uttered the sound of hum, uttered the sound of hum. As a result of that hunkar, Bhashmi Rasya Krita Sarve Sagaratmajaha, all the sons, all the 60,000 sons of Sagar, they were reduced to ashes, to a heap of ashes. Then Anshuman and Bhagirath practiced austerity for bringing down Ganges on earth. Very hard austerity they did. Urdhvahu, uplifting arms. Panch tapa masoharo jitendriya. Panch tapa. He exposed, this Bhagirath exposed himself to 5 fires. He exposed first amidst 4 fires, and sun was overhead, that is a 5th fire. And Bhagirath took food once in a month. Maso aharo, he took food once in a month. And Jitendriya, he controlled his all senses. Then Brahma came and said, I am pleased with your austerities. Ask any boon, ask any boon of your choice. Whatever you like, you may ask any boon. Then Bhagirath said, O my Lord, if you are pleased with me, all the sons of Sagar should Swargam gaccheyur atyantam sarve che pratpitamaha. All the grand uncles who were Sagar Atmajaha, they should attain heaven or paradise everlasting. That is gaccheru atyantam, means everlasting, not for a little time. And I should get the water of Ganges. Then Brahmaji told, Manoratho Mahanesh, Bhagirath Maharathe, great is your ambition. Evam bhavtu bhadram, to Ikshvaku Kulvardhan, O promoter of Ikshvaku race, may it be so, may it be realized, so may be it. But he put a condition. Tam vedharyutum rajan harastatra yojatam. You invoke Lord Shankar, you propitiate Lord Shankar, because गंगाया पत्नम राजन पृथ्वी न सहिष्यते. दोबारा सुनिए बच्चों, गंगाया पत्नम राजन पृथ्वी न सहिष्यते. The earth will not be able to sustain, to uphold the fall of Ganges. So invoke Lord Shankar. Then Bhagirath waited upon Shiv and propitiated Lord Shiv by his penance, by his austerity, by his penance. Then Umapati, Pashupati, Rajanam idam bravit. वो क्या बोले कि प्रीतस्ते हम नरश्रेष्ठ करिष्यामि तो. I shall do what is pleasing to you. शंकर भगवान है भोले भाले, क्या कहते हैं? I shall do what is pleasing to you. लेकिन इधर गंगा जी को घमंड हो गया. अच्छा, तो क्या कहती है? विषाम्य हम ही पातालम स्रोत्सा गृह शंकरम. शंकर जी को बहा ले जाऊंगी, ऐसा उनको घमंड हो गया. विषाम्य हम, वेफ्टिंग लॉर्ड शंकर अलॉन्ग विद माई स्ट्रीम. मेरी धारा के साथ क्या करूंगा? वेफ्टिंग शंकर, एंड आई माइट गो टू पाताल. तस्यावलपम ज्ञात्वा क्रुद्धस्तु भगवान हरे. शंकर भगवान बिकेम एंग्री टू नो हर एरोगेंस. वो क्या एरोगेंस थी? तस्यावलापनम, उसका जो अवलंबन था क्या कि आई शैल वेफ्टिंग शंकर, आई शैल गो टू रसातल. देन भगवान ने क्या? परसीविंग हर एरोगेंस, लॉर्ड शंकर तिरोभावयुतम चक्रम, तिरोभावयुतम बुद्धिम चक्रे त्रिनयनस्तदा. त्रिनयनस्तदा मीन्स शंकर भगवान. The three-eyed Shiv, Lord Shankar, made up his mind, determined that I shall conceal her in my matted locks. Locks means जटाएं, matted interwoven. तो ऐसा ही घमंड भागवत में भी बताया है गंगा जी का. गंगा जी भागवत में क्या कहती हैं? को अपि धार्यता मनोवेगम पतंता में महितले अन्यथा भूतलम भित्वा यास्यसे रसातलम. Who shall sustain my force while coming down on the earth? Otherwise, piercing the crust of the earth, I shall go to Rasatal. This sort of arrogance, this sort of घमंड गंगा जी को हो गया था. तो यहाँ पर जब गंगा जी उनके सिर पर आई तो उनको भगवान ने क्या किया? कंसील कर लिया. तो रिवॉल्विंग in the thick coils, interwoven coils noted, revolving, loitering, meandering, चक्कर खाती रही, लेकिन उनको कोई रास्ता नहीं मिला. तो अगेन वो जो अपने भगीरथ जी उन्होंने फिर propitiated by his austerity, by his asceticism. Then शंकर भगवान खुश हो गए और उन्होंने बिंदुसार में गंगा जी को छोड़ दिया. भागीरथो ऋषि दिव्यम चंद्रम स्थित है. तो वो माउंटेड ऑन ए चार्मिंग चैरियट एंड ड्रो अहेड, और गंगा जी फॉलोड एट हिज हील्स. गंगा जी पीछे पीछे चल गई, फॉलोड एट हिज हील्स, एंड ही माउंटेड ऑन चार्मिंग चैरियट. बैठ के वो अहेड चलते रहे, पीछे गंगा जी आते रहे. बोलो श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय